Studio microphone. Every day, you look for new ways to make money, but when you try it yourself, either it turns out to be a scam or you don't make any money. Am I right? Studio microphone. Earning money while studying in school or college seems difficult. Even family members say, focus on your studies. But what if there's a legal and easy way to make money without any investment? Studio microphone. Dropshipping is a business where you can earn money without buying products, keeping stock, or worrying about delivery. And in India, it's expected to boom by 2025. But bro, how can we do dropshipping without investing money? Studio microphone. Step 1. Find free suppliers, Meesho, Glowroad, or Indian wholesalers. Step 2. Do free marketing on Instagram and Facebook. Step 3. Offer COD, cash on delivery, to build trust. Studio microphone. Think about it. Take a small step today, and in a month, your success screenshot could be someone else's motivation. Zero risk, high reward. Will you do it or just keep thinking? Studio microphone. If you're serious, comment DS 2025 and I'll send you a free dropshipping guide. Don't waste time, start now.